A veteran named Molilo also claims this world as his own. He's attuned to everything that moves and breathes in it. Stories of the territories he's won and lost in his time are etched into his face. He arrived on the Gomorti earlier this year and single-handedly carved out his domain. It stretches from the river to the plains and to the woodlands beyond. Now he must work to hold onto it. If he can't keep neighboring males out, Molilo stands to lose more than just his home. Of all the cats here, these sisters are the only true owners of the world. It's their birthright, handed down through generations of female ancestors. They're a close family, and while there's no hierarchy between them, they typically look to wise, cautious Saba for guidance. You'll know her by the notch in her right ear. Over the course of their lives, they've seen males like Molilo come and go. He might not be the best looking, but he's theirs.